How's it going, everyone? So for you to get exclusive use to the high frequency FX station, you have to go over to imlhighfrequency.com and log in with your IML credentials. Make sure you check the checkbox that reads, I acknowledge having received, read, and understood the foregoing EULA. And now we're going to log in, and this is how the FX station actually looks like. So over here to the left, we see this is the Academy. So on here, you'll be able to learn everything that's necessary for you to learn to better capitalize in the binary option space, also known as Forex options. So for example, there are different academies. You can access mine, which is in English, Evan in English, Daniel, so on and so forth. So we will be having multiple languages available really soon. So here's the inside look of it. So when we actually click onto the English, right, basics, you'll be able to see quite a few videos here, okay? And then you could just go back and use this home button, okay? And now you'll be able to access the intermediate section as well. Same thing, there's gonna be a collection of videos that you can simply take a look at, click the home button, and then be able to take the advanced versions of the videos. And that is just one of the academies, and we have more videos that are added regularly. So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually go in here to High Frequency Forex TV. So right over here you see the schedule, and just keep in mind we will be having some more educators really soon. And over here in the bottom you're simply going to click here to select or hide the educators. So here's the banners that pop up, and whenever you click on a banner, it is actually going to bring you to their live stream, okay? So you can type anything you want here, interact here. I see we have a couple of the programmers already writing on this chat. This chat is specifically built so that anytime you refresh or anytime you opt in, you do not see messages basically from before. So now we're going to click home, all right? And over here, this is the inside look of trade ideas. So over to the left-hand side, you're gonna see some new trade ideas being pumped out. So whenever I see a trading opportunity outside or even during my live stream, I'm going to be pumping out some trade ideas along with the rest of our binary options team. Now the market is closed right now, so we won't see any real movements, but the cool thing is that you can use this interactive chart on the right side so you can better confirm our analysis that we pump out in the trade ideas. Now over the next few videos, you're gonna get an inside look of the simple scalper scanner, the pickpocket scanner, and also the web slinger scanners. So we're gonna show you how to adjust the settings and exactly how the strategy works so that way you can effectively trade so you can get paid. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you over the next few videos.